Hi, my name is Barbara Schlichtman. I'm an attorney at Maine Center for Elder Law, and this is the second video for this great senior expo. And what I wanted to explain in this video were documents that we recommend everybody have. And I'll just give you a list of those documents and a brief description of their role in your estate planning. So the first one is we recommend an advanced healthcare directive. And it's exactly what it sounds like. It's making decisions for your end-of-life care. It's designating who you would want to make those decisions for you, and what you would want those decisions to be. This has been an especially popular topic lately with, unfortunately, amid COVID. I know respirators have been a large conversation for families. And so I recommend that if somebody does not have their healthcare directive, this is a good time to do that and to get that in place. The next document is a financial power of attorney. The financial power of attorney is the document that authorizes somebody to step in and help you pay bills, talk to the insurance company, go to the bank, do all these financial matters if you were no longer able to do so. Now, the reason some people refuse to get a power of attorney is they're not ready to give away that control yet. That can be addressed with what we call a springing power of attorney that doesn't take effect until a medical event happens or something. There are pros and cons to that, and an attorney can certainly talk to you about that. But the risk of not having a financial power of attorney is much greater than not having one, because what happens is if somebody doesn't have to have it, they have to go to court and get a conservatorship, and then that is an ongoing process, and that becomes expensive and cumbersome because then you're required to file accounts and reports with the court on an ongoing basis. So I strongly recommend to people that they get a financial power of attorney in place. The next thing is we do what's called a HIPAA authorization. And you're going to be familiar with this because every time you go to the doctor, they give you all kinds of forms about HIPAA. HIPAA is the healthcare law that protects our healthcare information. And what you're doing on this form, you're not giving anyone decision-making power, but you are listing people you would want to be able to talk to medical providers about your care. And a common misconception is that spouses assume they can talk to doctors about each other. That, in fact, is not the case. So the HIPAA is very important, even for married couples. And then finally, the estate planning document itself, which can either be a will or a trust. And with that goes well beyond the scope of this video to talk about the pros and cons of each and to help identify what would be appropriate for you. But you do need some kind of a document to direct where you would want assets to go upon your passing. Okay, that's it. And if you have more questions, we would be happy to work with you. And again, my name's Barbara Schlichtman, and it's Maine Center for Elder Law. And our telephone number is 467-3301. Thanks, and have a great day.